What if I told you that looking poor might actually be one of the smartest moves you can make in today's world? In a society obsessed with appearance and material wealth, downplaying your success has some surprising benefits, from building stronger relationships to protecting your finances. Staying low-key can be a real power move. In today's video, we'll explore 5 key reasons why looking poor is more important than you think. Stick around, because you won't want to miss number 5. It might just change the way you think about your life. Let's get into it. Point number 1 is it helps you avoid unwanted attention. Looking poor or modest might help you avoid unnecessary attention from people who might take advantage of your wealth. Flaunting luxury often invites envy, fake friends, or even financial requests from distant relatives or acquaintances. People from Africa, Asia, or even some European countries, they can relate with people asking for financial requests, especially when when you post a nice picture, or you just upload an achievement on your story, or when you celebrate a milestone, and here comes the stalkers. And there's nothing wrong with helping people if you can, as long as it doesn't affect you. And this is something I'm also struggling with right now. So think of billionaires like Warren Buffett, who lives in modest homes. By not drawing attention to his wealth, he avoided unnecessary distractions and stayed focused on building real value. And this is something anyone can adopt into their own life just by keeping things simple. Point number 2, it builds genuine relationship. When people see you as someone who is not trying to impress with material possessions, it becomes easier for them to build genuine relationships with you, because genuine people, they appreciate authenticity, and they will value you for who you are and not what you have. For those that know me personally, they know that it took me almost 10 years of grinding every day to get to where I am today. And as you can see, I'm still grinding. But along the journey of coming from nothing to living a somewhat decent life, I've seen the way people treat me differently, and it's night and day, trust me. But this also has a negative effect, and I struggle with letting people in, because there's a part of me that thinks, do these people love me for who I am or for what I have? But what I've come to learn over time is, by downplaying your success, by downplaying your wealth or whatever it is that you have, you are more likely to find relationships based on trust and shared values. Point number 3 is it encourages financial responsibility. Looking poor or modest can also encourage better financial habits. When you are not constantly trying to maintain an image of wealth, you are most likely to save and invest your money wisely. This leads to long-term stability instead of living paycheck to paycheck to maintain appearance. And this one is particular in the black culture. As you can see, I'm a black guy. We like to buy expensive things, buy fast cars, designer clothes, diamond watches, which there's nothing wrong with it as long as you can afford it. But as Nigerians, we call it show walkings or doings. For Nigerians, they understand what I'm trying to say. The Americans, they call it dunk on them. And I get the mentality, because you work so hard to get to where you are in life, especially when you come from nothing to something. And along that journey, so many people doubted you, so many people did not treat you well. Of course, you want to show off. You want to show that, yeah, finally I've arrived. I get the mentality. If you can afford to live that kind of life, by all means necessary, do you. There's nothing wrong with it. But most times, it's financially irresponsible to buy all these flashy things. And this is something I had to learn myself in a hard way when I left Nigeria and I came to Germany. Because Germans are one of the most financially responsible people I've met on this planet. They don't make noise. They are not very loud people. There's a reason why we call them gentle giants. But trust me, they will buy your generation. So instead of buying the latest gadget or flashy cars, consider how millionaires like Mark Zuckerberg, how they live a very modest life despite their wealth. They focus more on long-term investment and financial security rather than showing off. This mindset shift can help you maintain long-term financial stability. Point number 4, it lowers expectation and pressure. Looking modest can actually reduce the pressure that people place on you. The pressure to constantly deliver or maintain a certain status decreases when you keep a low profile, allowing you to focus on personal goals without the weight of external judgment. For example, if you present yourself as overly successful, people will place some expectations on you because they will expect you to always have the answers and be ready to step up financially. But when you downplay it, you are free to focus on your personal development, career, growth, or creative endeavors without constantly feeling like you have to live to a certain image. Point number 5, It gives you control over your narrative. Looking modest actually allows you to control your own story, because you get to decide what part of your story you want to reveal to the world. In a culture where everything is broadcast on social media, staying low-key gives you a sense of freedom and privacy that is invaluable. Why do you think we see this with celebrities these days? So many of them try to live a very low-profile life. They only let you see what they want you to see. So you can do this in your own life by choosing to share what you want people to see and keeping certain parts like your finances out of the spotlight. And there you have it, ladies and gentlemen. 5 powerful reasons why looking poor is actually a smart move. It can protect your privacy, build genuine connections, and even help you save money and avoid stress. Remember, life isn't about how much you show, but how much you grow. If you found this video helpful, you already know what to do. Don't forget to like this video. Let me know what you think in the comments below. And if you want to know how to find the best career for you in just 30 minutes a day, click on this video right here. And I'll see you guys in the next one. I'm out.